I don't think you have the facilities for that, big man.
Talo. Sorry.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you.
We don't care.
How? How did they think that was okay to even put it in the game? I'm so sick of this company. The trash! Fix the game! It sucks playing the shit! And I'm addicted! So I can't quit!
My disappointment is immeasurable, and my day is ruined.
Perfect.
And I've decided that I want to die.
هكر يا جماعة، لو انتبهتوا لحركاته هكر.
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Now, I'm really mad. Bruh.
Why are you gay?
Who says I'm gay?
You are gay.
Oh Lord. Again. Again. Nothing new, nothing changed, same old shit.